Today we're excited to introduce the Rabbit Hutch Indoor-Outdoor Bunny Cage, a versatile and thoughtfully designed habitat perfect for your small pets. This spacious two-story hutch features a unique upgrade with removable bottom wire netting, ensuring your furry friends stay clean and secure by separating waste from their living area. The hutch is equipped with two thicker, no-leak plastic trays that pull out easily from both the front and back, making cleaning a breeze and preventing any messy spills indoors. With its sturdy metal wheels, you can effortlessly move this rabbit house from indoor to outdoor settings, while two of the wheels come with brakes to keep it securely in place. Crafted from 100% non-toxic solid fir wood and topped with an asphalt roof, this hutch is built to withstand both indoor and outdoor environments, providing a safe and durable home for bunnies, guinea pigs, and even hamsters. The double-floor design, connected by a ramp, offers a spacious and flexible living space, complete with a movable divider to customize the layout as needed. Plus, as a bonus, your purchase includes a free rabbit chewing toy and a metal feeder, ensuring your pets have everything they need to feel right at home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.